I would say that the company culture is very open and friendly.
It's interesting. There's new things to do every day. There's new parts all the time.
We can communicate really good amongst each other as far as what we want to do for different projects, come up with different ideas.
I've never had a problem asking anybody for help or finding somebody to answer a question. If they didn't have the answer, they knew who would.
My favorite core value of MetalQuest is the third idea. It's where everybody comes together, they collaborate, we're big on teamwork.
Everybody has their part to play in the puzzle here. If you have an idea to make something safer, more efficient, they highly recommend and they encourage people to share ideas.
So most places I've worked other than this are pretty dirty. Like you'll have filters on fans and within a day they're just caked with grease and coolant and whatever else.
I did not expect it to be this clean. I was touring other job shops and things in college, and a lot of them were fairly dirty, like a shop you would expect, but this is exceptionally clean.
My last job, I worked at a brick facility where we had clay dust and dirt and chemicals, things everywhere. Come here and everything's white floor. Everything's clean, you're not covered in grease and oil and dirt all the time, air conditioned, well lit. It really appealed to me when I started here, the level of tech we have around.
There's a lot of robots, a lot of technology going on here that's not going on in other places.
This place is really good about figuring out how to use automation so that we're not doing mundane tasks. So we can focus on more of the higher end stuff, setups and running the machines and making sure everything's like it's supposed to be, rather than building boxes or something like that.
I learned almost everything I know here from here. They train you for what you need to know, and as you grow, you can learn more. And pay reflects that over time.
I didn't think that they would ever hire me. I came from healthcare and I had zero experience. And they interviewed me, hired me, trained me from the ground up. I started not knowing a single thing, and here I am.
If you're on the fence about applying, just give us a call. We'd like to talk to you about our open positions, what we do here, and show you around.